Hello everyone, welcome to another video on number conversion. In this video, we are going to convert an octal number to its equivalent decimal number. So watch the video till the end to learn how to convert an octal number to its equivalent decimal representation.
An octal number can be easily converted to its decimal equivalent by multiplying each octal digit by its positional weightage. So, for example, we have an octal number 261. Here the base is equals to it, that's why it's an octal number, and we need to convert this octal number into an equivalent decimal number. So since we have the numbers 2, 6, 1, so just we are going to write down the number 2, 6 and 1, and just above of this we are going to just write down the base of octal, which is equivalent to 8. Now after this we have to just put the positional weightage of if each and every octal digit. So starting from the least significant bit, we have the first digit, the LSB of this digit has the positional weightage equivalent to 8 to the power 0, and we are moving towards the MSB, the power increases. So now our next step is to multiply the digits with their positional weightage and then sum together to get the decimal equivalent of our given octal number. So here 2 multiplied by 8 square means 64, plus 6 multiplied with 8 plus 1 multiplied with anything to the power 0 means 1. So here we are getting 128 plus 48 plus 1. Now if we add these three numbers, we will get 177. So therefore the binary equivalent, the decimal equivalent of the given octal number 261 base 8 equals to 177 base 10. This is our answer. Now in this case we are having an octal number, but the number is given in fractional part. So this number can also be converted into its equivalent decimal format. So we will follow the same procedure. We are going to just write down the digits after the octal point, which is 4 and 2, and now since we are moving to the right hand side of the octal point, so therefore the positional weight that becomes negative. So after this we are going to multiply each and every digit with their respective positional weightage to get the equivalent decimal number. So 4 multiplied with 8 to the power minus 1, that means 0.5, and if 2 is getting multiplied with 8 to the power minus 2, so that means 2 by 64, or simply we can write this as 0.03125. Now if we add these two, we will get the result as 53125. So therefore the decimal equivalent of the given octal number 0.42 base 8 is equals to 0.53125. This will be our answer. So let's work out with another example. We are given a number as 24.6. So we are going to just write down the digits. So this is the digits, that is left part of the octal point, and the digits right part of the octal point. Now since the representation is in octal, so we are going to write just on 8, the base of the octal, and the left part that we will positional weight filled with 0 and 1, and the right part we have the negative positional weightage 8 to the power minus 1. So the digits are getting multiplied with their respective positional weightage to the power 0, and we will make the sum to get the result. So here 2 multiplied by 8, so that means 16, plus 4 multiplied by 8 to the power 0, anything to the power 0, that means 1. So 4 multiplied by 1, which is equivalent to 4, and 6 multiplied by 8 to the power minus 1, we will get the result as 0.75. So therefore 16 plus 4, 20, and 20 plus 0.25, the result will come as 20.75. So therefore 24.6 in octal equivalent to 20.75 base 10 in decimal. So the octal number 21.6 is equivalent to 20.75 in decimal.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell icon for regular updates.